over $14,000 with this simple Fiverr hack. I really enjoy creating Fiverr videos, and these are great videos for those people who wanted to acquire new Fiverr skills in order to make more money. But before getting started with today's video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned my link in the description box below. So let's get started. If you move to the Fiverr.com, and Fiverr is actually a great place for buying and selling services. If you know any skill, you can just create your gig on Fiverr and start selling your service. For the sake of this video, if you search for promo video on Fiverr, you can see that there are a lot of gigs people have created about creating promo videos, and these videos are great for promoting someone's business. And if you just move downward, there are a lot of buyers, so you can see that there is no shortage of buyers. 368 reviews, 305 reviews, over $200 for just one gig, $50, $20, 62 reviews, 141 reviews, 152 reviews, 118 reviews, 206 reviews. So you can see that there are a lot of buyers in this category, and there are a lot of sellers who are providing this type of gig. I have already opened 3 to 4 gigs for you, so you can just get idea about how much people are charging, how I will create a promo video for your business, product or website. This is just simple gig, and this guy has received 587 reviews. Basic for $5, $10 for standard, and $25 for premium. Just move to another gig. This is I will create a stylish mobile app promo video for iOS or Android. Basic for $25, $35 and $40. So this guy has received 858 reviews. So you can imagine the potential here. And the third gig is, this is just for premium buyers. Basic for $200, $300 and $500, and this guy has received 305 reviews. I will make you a professional promo and advertising video. So you can just do the math and see people are making 6-figure income from Fiverr. Now if I just open up this gig again and do the math for you, you can just imagine how much this guy has earned. 587 reviews. As per my experience, less than 50% of the people are actually giving the review. So if we just assume the 50% example and multiply this by 2, so we can come to the original figure, that is original number of buyers who have purchased this gig. This is just an predicted figure, but it is closer to the actual figure. 587 is far too low. And if you just look at the basic, standard and premium, 5 for basic and 25 for premium, so $30 total. And if we take the average, then it is $15. If I just multiply this by $15, so over $17,000 from this gig. 20% will be cut by the Fiverr, so 80% rest to us. Over $14,000 from this simple gig. This is the theme of this video, over $14,000, and you come to know that how $14,000 has been earned from this simple gig. Now you may be thinking that how we can perform or how we can do such type of service even we do not know anything at all related to this gig. So that's really simple. If I take your platform that is known as promo.com, this is great platform for people who wanted to get a ready-made solution. So just move to the promo.com, create your account, it is free, and lead the way with video that convert with over 2 million videos already created. So a lot of buyers have actually using promo.com, and they are getting lot of videos, and they are selling these types of videos on Fiverr. And apart from Fiverr, you can also use Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and literally there are tens of other freelancing platforms where you can sell these types of services to different people. So if you just look at that, what you can do. You can create all sort of promo videos, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and LinkedIn ads. For the purpose of this video, if I click on promo videos, now you can see that this is the dashboard of creating promo videos, and these are all ready-made templates that you can use to create such types of videos. Let's suppose you have received an order on Fiverr from someone who wanted to buy a promo video related to the health niche. So what you can do, just move to the promo.com and search for health. Now these all templates are in the health niche. So let's suppose if you wanted to use this template, just click on preview. And look at this template. You can adjust to wide, square, or vertical. For promo videos, generally it is wide. So now you are seeing that this is the wide template. So once you're okay with this template, if you wanted to customize and add your own logo and text, just click on customize. So now you are in the editor section. You can change whatever you want. You can change the text style and anything. This is the font section. You can change the color. You can change, align the text. You can bold, original, capital, or whatever you want to do, you can do this. You can even centralize the text sidewise. You can select the wide, square, vertical section. Let's suppose if I just wanted to play with this text, you can just move this text downward. So here you can see that the text is now moved downward. You can also select different types of styles. So if I just click on this style, I have chosen this one. So after finishing with this video, you can just save the project and download for your buyer. So that's how you can create different types of promo videos on promo.com. Apart from the promo videos, I've already shown you there are different types of things you can do on promo.com. In the coming videos, I will also show you how you can make Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and LinkedIn ads in order to sell these types of services on Fiverr. So but make sure this software or this platform is not free. If I just take you to the pricing section, this is the pricing policy. These are the annual plans: annual basic, annual standard, and annual pro. So 2 months free if you just choose for the annual plan. If you just wanted to go for the monthly plan, and I highly recommend you to start with the monthly plan, and the basic starts with the $49 per month. You can use unlimited videos download, use 1 premium click per month. So rest of all plans are expensive for you. I recommend you to start with the basic. Just create your gigs on the Fiverr. As soon as you receive orders, you can just go for this basic plan, and you don't just do the work and earn money. You can even sell your service for $25, $30. People are selling it for hundreds of dollars. If you just create your service for $25, then after selling 2 gigs or 2 orders, you are on a break even. That's how you can make the profit after using this platform. And if you're already earning money on Fiverr, or you are selling promo videos, you can just use this collection in order to satisfy more customers and enhance your reach using promo.com. I know people are actually spending a lot of time who do not actually know about the promo and similar platforms, but after using promo, you can just do your work within a few minutes. It hardly takes you 3 to 5 minutes, and you come up with an excellent promo videos that would be loved by your customers. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home, I have mentioned my most recommended system link in the description box below. You can use that link and join that system. And that's all for today. Thank you.